The purpose of this video is to help you to prepare for the practical activity that you will perform tomorrow in our lesson. The aim of this practical activity is to demonstrate that acids react with metal carbonates to produce salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. Now, for the method, begin by measuring 200 milliliters of hydrochloric acid into a sidearm conical flask. Now, you might need to do several measurements, so 4 lots of 50 milliliters or 2 lots of 100 milliliters in order to get all 200 milliliters in. You can't just use the markings that you see on the side of the sidearm conical flask because they're too inaccurate. Also, measure 2 grams of solid calcium carbonate into a plastic weigh boat. Now, half fill a test tube with lime water. Place that test tube in a test tube rack. Then clamp the sidearm test tube to a retort stand so that the rubber tube easily reaches the lime water. This next bit needs to be done very quickly. Pour the calcium carbonate into the conical flask on top of the acid and then seal the conical flask with a rubber stopper. Wait until the reaction has finished. There will be no more bubbling in the acid. There will also be no more bubbling in the lime water. Observe both the reaction flask and the lime water test tube. Cloudiness in the lime water is proof that carbon dioxide was formed in the sidearm test tube. And as the carbon dioxide gas was formed, it expanded into all the available space. Because the stopper was in the conical flask, it couldn't come out the top of the sidearm, so it had nowhere to go but out the rubber tube and through the lime water to escape. Then the carbon dioxide that formed reacted with the lime water in the test tube to produce that cloudiness. So it's a secondary chemical reaction happening in the lime water. And then clean up. So tip your solutions down the sink. Place your weigh boat and your glassware in the dirty glassware bucket. Put everything else back where you found it. There are a few risks associated with this particular activity. First of all, hydrochloric acid is corrosive and very dangerous to your eyes. It can irritate your skin. And as always with glassware, if you drop it and break it, that can cut you. So, to keep yourself and others safe, you must wear your safety glasses at all times. And if you do happen to drop some glassware and break it, you need to report that to me immediately. Please don't try to clean up the broken glass yourself. I'll come over and do it. And that's really all there is to it.